General Customer Remark 1, the delay we're experiencing at North York Center due to the power off at track level is now clear. Once again, we are now clear of the delay at North York Center. Regular service has resumed.